Damn, in 2 days it'll be 4 years. Can you believe that? I can't count the memories that I need back. I can't listen, I'm dealing with heavy feedback. I know you see that. I'm a grown man, how did I achieve that? Yeah, I know. But you're gone, it's hard to just let it go. And the reason why I don't know, guess reality made it so. And it's a cold world, and I ain't doing well. Your physical is gone, I wonder, could you so tell what is going through my mind? 1 minute I'm blind, and the next I'm doing fine. Begin to fall behind, life it ain't kind these days. And why do I feel these ways? I stare in the mirror, begin to see your features, and transform to the day that I meet you again. Let's make a toast to my people in the sky. Anybody you got watching from the sky. And some days I can't help but wonder why you ever had to say goodbye. D, it's been a while since we last spoke, so for that reason I'm writing you this note. We down here losing our grip, only hear bad things when we moving our lips. A lot of people still standing on the same strip. Besides a few things here, it's just the same shit. And all the problems we face, yo, that's a long list. I ain't talked to Solomon in the longest. Every day I say that I'm gon' call him, and never do I hear things are going right for him. And when we talked about death, it felt foreign. But when you stood in the steps, it started pouring. And the rain ain't really stopped since. All cause some dude that ain't really have sense. Prof still doing his thing, and every other day Ray gives me a ring up. I talk to him, he down in the burbs. He moved out where this girl lives in South Jersey. Rob, he's still on point. It's crazy, born ready, still my joint. Even though I ain't listened for a while, I just smile cause you had the illest style. Guess every time that I listen I feel distant. I think it's just my dude that I'm missing, for real.